Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. I'm George Seegebrecht, the Master of Ceremonies for the President's reception of the virtual Fall Convention. During this presentation, we will be recognizing several recipients of ACI's annual awards. To begin, please welcome ACI President Mr. Jeffrey W. Coleman.
Thank you, George. And again, I'm Jeff Coleman, President of the American Concrete Institute. Welcome to the President's reception. The good news is, with this reception, you don't have to wait in a long line and you don't have to stand around waiting to be introduced to the president of ACI and his spouse. We're doing this all virtually. And we've also converted this into a personal awards program. I don't have a lot to say in advance of the program, but I do want to say a couple of things. As you know, my third initiative as ACI president is to thank all of the volunteers and all of the staff at ACI. Tonight, we're going to see a number of individual awards recognizing the accomplishments of a number of our members. Without our members contributing to all the committee work that we do and the documents that we publish and the other work of ACI, we wouldn't be able to get very far. You are the backbone of our organization, and I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for all the work that you do. With that goes a hearty thank you to our staff, who behind the scenes makes a lot happen at ACI that a lot of people don't see. So thank you to our staff, thank you to our volunteers, and I look forward to the awards program. And George, I'll turn it back to you. Thank you very much.
Every year through an open nomination process, ACI bestows awards to individuals and organizations that have shown exceptional service and dedication to ACI. The Arthur R. Anderson Medal was awarded to ACI Fellow W. Jason Weiss for his long-time and outstanding contribution to education, his advancement of research in concrete materials science and technology, and his distinct and passionate ability to take knowledge from research into practice. Weiss is the Edwards Distinguished Chair in Engineering and the Director of the Kiewit Center for Infrastructure and Transportation Research at Oregon State University, Corvallis, Oregon. The Arthur R. Anderson Medal is given for outstanding contributions to the advancement of knowledge of concrete as a construction material. ACI Fellow Robert J. Frosch received the Joe W. Kelly Award in recognition of outstanding contributions to engineering education, insightful research to improve the performance of structural concrete systems, and his dedicated service to ACI. Frosch is a professor of civil engineering and senior associate dean of facilities and operations in the College of Engineering at Purdue University, West Lafayette, Indiana. The Joe W. Kelly Award is given for outstanding contributions to education in the broad field of concrete. ACI Fellow Frances T. Griffith received the Henry L. Kennedy Award in recognition of her exceptional contributions to advancing the mission and strategic objectives of the Institute through her dedicated leadership in education, certification, and operational committees, and her outstanding service as an inspirational ambassador to the concrete industry. Griffith is the Associate Director of the Center for Training Transportation Professionals in the Department of Civil Engineering at the University of Arkansas, Fayetteville, Arkansas. The Henry L. Kennedy Award is given for outstanding technical or administrative service to the Institute. ACI Fellow Mr. Don W. Meinheit was given the Alfred E. Lindau Award for outstanding contributions to analysis, design, and development of standards for anchors and reinforced concrete. He is a retiree but still very active as a limited part-time employee of Wisjini Elsner Associates in Chicago, Illinois. In retirement, he has also taught structural engineering design to senior-level students at Purdue University. The Alfred E. Lindau Award is given for outstanding contributions to reinforced concrete design practice. The Concrete Industry Management Program was awarded the Henry C. Turner Medal for advancing the concrete industry by degrees through its visionary program of identifying and supporting future leaders in the concrete industry. Designed to provide graduates with a broad array of opportunities within the concrete industry, the Concrete Industry Management Program, known as CIM, supplies the industry with future managers and leaders. CIM is a business-intensive program providing solid management skills that are applicable in any industry, but developed specifically for the concrete industry. The Henry C. Turner Medal is given for notable achievements in or service to the concrete industry. ACI Fellow Mauricio Lopez received the Cedric Wilson Lightweight Aggregate Concrete Award for outstanding leadership and contributions in the design, implementation, and use of lightweight aggregates in concrete. Lopez is an associate professor in the Department of Construction, Engineering, and Management at the Pontificia Universidad Católica de Chile, Santiago, Chile. This award is given for outstanding contributions in the areas of innovative materials and design in lightweight aggregate, lightweight concrete, and lightweight concrete masonry. 3 individuals were bestowed the ACI Certification Award for outstanding leadership and service on ACI certification committees and dedication in developing, promoting, supporting, and delivering ACI certification programs. ACI Fellow Mark A. Cheek is Vice President of the Beta Group Engineering and Construction Services in Gretna, Louisiana. ACI Fellow J. Mitchell Engelstedt is the Technical Services Manager at American Eagle Ready Mix, Las Vegas, Nevada. Janet Owens White is the Chief of the Engineering and Laboratory Services Division in the Bureau of Reclamation's Technical Service Center in Denver, Colorado. ACI Fellow Maria Younger received the ACI Concrete Sustainability Award in recognition of innovative research to improve the sustainability of concrete materials. She is a professor in the Department of Civil, Architectural, and Environmental Engineering and the Associate Dean of Graduate Education Transformation in the Graduate School at the University of Texas at Austin, Austin, Texas. The ACI Concrete Sustainability Award recognizes individuals or teams who have made contributions in highlighting concrete's role related to sustainability. Hakeem Bouadi received the ACI Education Award for continuous effort with promoting ACI's training programs for practicing engineers and companies engaged in the design of fiber-reinforced polymer concrete. He is a principal and senior project manager within the diagnostic group of Walter P. Moore in Houston, Texas. This award recognizes individuals who have made notable contributions to the advancement of initiatives by the ACI Educational Activities Committee. ACI Fellow Ann M. Ellis was awarded the ACI Strategic Advancement Award in recognition of her visionary leadership in advancing ACI's strategic goals and for her impactful contribution in connecting ACI with other institutes and associations. Ellis is the founder and CEO of Ellis Global. She served as ACI's president from 2013 to 2014. This award recognizes individuals or organizations who provide support in the implementation of membership and customer satisfaction, the quality of ACI programs, products, and services, and global credibility and impact. 2 individuals received the ACI Young Members Award for Professional Achievement. Francisco D. Angiano Perez is honored for significant contributions to the education of students related to the behavior of concrete, the organization of student activities, and the endless promotion of ACI chapter activities, membership, and development of new student chapters in Mexico. Perez is an associate professor in the Faculty of Civil Engineering at the Universidad Autónoma de Nuevo León, Mexico. Sarab Surendra Mandrekar is awarded for notable contributions to the development of construction chemical aids and systems to improve reinforced concrete performance and for outstanding service advancing the ACI strategic plan at the chapter, national, and international levels with a focus on mentoring students. Mandrekar is director at Sananda Specialty Coatings, Private Limited, and oversees the company's global operations from its Dubai, United Arab Emirates office. 4 ACI members were honored with the Delmar L. Bloom Distinguished Service Award. ACI Fellow Timothy S. Folks was recognized for outstanding leadership of Committee 211, proportioning concrete mixtures. Folks is the Manager of Technical Services for Hawaiian Cement, AIA, Hawaii. ACI Fellow Keith Kestner was awarded for outstanding leadership of Committee 562, Evaluation, Repair, and Rehabilitation of Concrete Buildings. Kestner is a Senior Project Manager with CVM Professional in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. ACI Fellow Mustafa Mahamid was honored for outstanding leadership of Committee 421, Design of Reinforced Concrete Slabs, Joint ACI ASCE. Mahamid is a Clinical Associate Professor in the Department of Civil and Materials Engineering at the University of Illinois at Chicago, Illinois. ACI Fellow Jeff Speck was awarded for outstanding leadership of Committee 122, Energy Efficiency of Concrete and Masonry Systems, Joint ACI TMS. Speck is General Manager, Marketing and Technical Sales at Arcosa Lightweight in Arlington, Texas. 3 chapter activities awards were bestowed. Mark J. Keister was recognized for outstanding effort and dedication to the health, well-being, and advancement of the Florida First Coast ACI chapter and Northeast Florida's unique use of concrete materials in design. Keister is principal of Atlantic Engineering Services of Jacksonville. He has served several times as president of the ACI Florida First Coast chapter. Pankesh Supat Shah was honored for outstanding contributions to the success and spread of civil engineering knowledge with a focus on structural repair technology, enabling and encouraging engineering students, and leadership in promoting ACI chapter activities in the Indian subcontinent. Shah is the owner of the firm SP Consulting Engineers in Mumbai, India. He is the past president of the ACI India chapter. ACI Fellow Wayne M. Wilson was awarded for extraordinary commitment, dedication, and leadership of the ACI Georgia chapter and ongoing and very successful promotion of certification programs. Wilson is a Senior Technical Services Engineer with Lafarge Holcim. He has been Certification Chair of the ACI Georgia chapter since 2008 and twice served as chapter president. Benjamin Z. Diamond received the Walter P. Moore Jr. Faculty Achievement Award for innovative ways of developing students' critical thinking and professional skills to maximize their potential as future civil engineers. Diamond is an assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering at the University of Minnesota Duluth, where he has served as a faculty member for 4 years. There are 2 recipients of the ACI Foundation Arthur J. Boas Award. The Concrete Research Council give this award for outstanding research in the structural concrete field or for outstanding contributions to the advancement of concrete technology through application of the results of structural concrete research. ACI Fellow Frank J. Vecchio was honored for outstanding contributions made in the field of structural concrete and in recognition of work leading to the advancement of concrete modeling procedures and their application within nonlinear analysis software. He is a professor and Bain Tannenbaum Chair in Civil Engineering in the Department of Civil and Mineral Engineering at the University of Toronto, Toronto, Canada. ACI Fellow John W. Wallace was recognized for outstanding contributions for earthquake-resistant design of tall, reinforced concrete buildings that utilize shear walls as the primary lateral force-resisting elements and commitment to education of young structural engineers. He is a professor of civil engineering at the University of California in Los Angeles. Kamal H. Kayat received the ACI Foundation Robert E. Filio Award for outstanding contributions to research, teaching, innovation, and leadership targeting advancement of high-performance concrete with adapted rheology and self-consolidating concrete, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge transfer regarding the science, performance, design, and testing standards of SCC. He is the Vernon and Marilee Jones Professor of Civil Engineering at Missouri S&T in Rolla, Missouri. The Robert E. Filio Award of the Concrete Research Council is given in recognition of outstanding research in the concrete materials field or for outstanding contributions to the advancement of concrete technology through applications of the results of concrete materials research. Congratulations to this outstanding group of ACI awardees. ACI President Jeff Coleman will now continue.
Thank you, George. And again, congratulations to all of the award recipients this evening. And thank you for attending this President's Convention, at least the main stage portion of which we've now concluded. Now we're going to have the breakout sessions. And there will be instructions on how to attend these sessions. The first round begins now. The second round will begin in about 15 minutes. This will give everybody an opportunity to interact on a more personal level. Thank you for attending the President's Reception, and have a great evening.
This now concludes the President's Reception main stage. Please scroll down on this webpage to select a breakout to join from the list of subsessions. The breakout sessions will open into Zoom. We will have 2 rounds of breakouts. After each breakout concludes, return to the list of subsessions and select a new breakout.